In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use My Tasks and Personal List in ClickUp. We'll start by opening ClickUp. Once you're inside the workspace, go to the global navigation and click Home. From there, select My Tasks. This is the main area where you can quickly review the work connected to you, and it's a useful starting point for managing both assigned work and personal items. Inside My Tasks, click Assign to Me. This view shows the tasks that are currently assigned to you, making it easy to focus on the work you're responsible for. If you want a simple way to check your workload without navigating through different spaces or lists, this section is especially helpful. Next, select Today and Overdue under My Tasks. This area is designed to help you stay on top of what needs attention right now. You'll be able to see tasks due today as well as anything that is past its deadline, which makes it a great place to review your most urgent work. Now go to Personal List under My Tasks. Personal List is separate from the main ClickUp hierarchy, so it gives you a dedicated space for organizing your own tasks without needing to place them inside a larger team structure. This can be useful for reminders, individual planning, or small pieces of work you want to track privately within your workflow. Inside Personal List, create a new task. Enter the task name, then create it. After that, open the task and add the details you need. This is where you can set the status, assign a priority, choose a due date, and fill in any other task information that helps you stay organized. The more clearly you define the task here, the easier it will be to manage later. When you're done, return to your personal list. Use the available list controls to sort, filter, and group your personal tasks in a way that works best for you. You can also customize the view with columns and custom fields, which can make your list much easier to scan and maintain over time. If there's a task you want to highlight, open it and add it to your personal priorities. This allows you to keep important tasks together for quick access without moving them from their original location, which is a convenient way to stay focused on what matters most. As you work, return to My Tasks to review your personal tasks and update the status of each one as you complete it. And if you ever need to locate something quickly, open your personal list and use the search bar to find a task by its name, description, or custom field content. Thanks for watching.